Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today at Tackroot Pools on one of my first macro adventures. I'm looking for this yellow saltspire plant. What it is a large dandelion, and I'm going to be trying to find some more of these ones, but they're gone to seed. The reason I'm doing this video is to show you and explain how I keep my dandelions and why I keep them for so long and the best ways to keep them. So now I'm going to show you how I collect these and what stage I collect them at. So that should help you out. I just come across this salsify seed. What it is actually is a large dandelion clock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it now, because I know it's already flowered because the way it's folded up and I can see it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer it into my tub. This is a Pringle tub. The reason I use Pringle tubs for all my dandelion clocks, if you can see, it's silver foiled, which keeps the damp out, and with a plastic lid on, keeps it dry. If you try and put them in plastic tubs, they're just rotten and you got no chance using them. But in here, I guarantee you it'll keep it dry and open. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to nip it back a little bit and pop it in my tub like that. The best thing about finding these seeds is because I'm pretty, well, not rare, but they're more long distance from my house, is what I'm actually going to do is I'm not going to pick every single one because we need a crop for next year. So, but what I am going to do is I'm going to get some of these, open them out, dry them, and I will be planting them so I can get some close to home and hopefully get my own crop. So that means they haven't going to travel because I've got a lovely yellow flower and I'm ideal to work with as well. What a perfect way to end my day. I've actually found one that's open fully. I can't explain how good these are. They look absolutely amazing. It's like a giant dandelion clock, but it's got like a web effect on it, on the top of it. But this has just put the icing on my cake. But now I'm going to show you how to do it next week. So stay safe and happy snapping.